Welcome to the Crypto Patio, where we open your door to the world of cryptocurrency. What exactly are virtual private networks? VPNs, or virtual private networks, are used to establish secure connections across public networks. Individuals can use them to access geo-restricted websites, while businesses use them to link users working from home to their company's internet. VPN allow you to connect to the internet securely and privately. Encryption protects your online activities by filtering out anyone that is not allowed access to the network, including hackers. VPN can also be used to conceal your true location. A virtual private network, VPN, can help you secure your privacy, unblock material, and even go around prohibited websites. To learn more about virtual private networks, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.